Okay, like today I'm gonna be installing this crank pulley for the Ford Bantam rocam or Ford Ikon, and then here's the new seal. I also got the new seal here, and yeah, just have to like take out the belt and everything. So yeah, and I had to take out the wheel out as well. So then here is the old pulley. See if you can see. It's cracked, so it's really leaking oil from all over. If you guys can check. You can see there's oil all over. So now I'm just gonna take out the seal. Yeah, and it's out, and you can see. And here's the old seal. So I'm just gonna wipe it. Yeah, and then I think I'm just gonna need a degreaser after this, but then I think I'll see it after. So got the new seal. So yeah. And here's the new one for the Ford Bantam. The Ikon is the same thing. Rocam engine. Yeah. And it's in. Yeah, we're good to go. Here's the new crank pulley.